parts where another supplier for my customer might have not been supplying very well. So we had to do an emergency situation where I would go reach out to JY Electronics to make sure that we could get product in time. And my main contact is Kathy, and she's been able to really get back with me quickly, figure out a way for the factory to get those right on the line to get shipped out to us as fast as possible, and have helped us out in a lot of different situations. We specifically had a water cleaning device that had to get a controller circuit board unit over to make sure that line production continued. uh, JOA Electronic was able to get in there and send us all the parts that were needed within a timely manner to make it so the customer saw us as saving their product line and ensuring that they continue to produce for their customers as well. So just wanted to say thank you, and we look forward to the continued work that we're going to do together. We have a lot of different sample projects that we're trying to work out to get sent over to you for specifics, and we really enjoy being partners with you. So thank you very much, and look forward to talking with you very soon.